As you can see, WordPress installation is a straightforward process. After the installation process is completed, you will be forwarded directly to WordPress Administrator Dashboard. Anytime later, you will have to use one of the following URLs to access WordPress admin area. http:// the name of your site.com or whatever extension that you have for your domain, /wp-admin, or http:// the name of your site dot the extension /wp-login.php. This is an example of the login for my site. WordPress dashboard is built to help you manage your site. You will find the Welcome to WordPress section at the top of the page. In this section, you can quickly access everything you need to start off with WordPress, like writing your first blog, or adding an About page, or viewing your site, or managing widgets, comments, etc. If Welcome to WordPress is not there, or you removed it unintentionally, go to Screen Options on your upper right hand corner and then check Welcome. You'll find several other sections on the administrator page. At a glance, shows which theme you are running, the number of posts and pages you have, and other recent activity. Another section is the Quick Draft, to be used when you want to add a quick post. However, you will not get the various formatting features that you will get in the post section, but this is a quick way of creating a draft post. Activity box shows latest posts and comments. On WordPress news box, you can see latest news related to WordPress. Over on the left of your screen, you have the main navigation bar that you will use to get around your WordPress dashboard. This is an example of it. Let's take a look at the basic settings you need to know to use your WordPress site. So when you go down to Settings on the navigation bar, you will find General. Here you can change the main URL, the time zone, the title, and the description of your website. Writing. On this section, you can set up your default category and post format. Want to submit posts via email? Configure this feature here. Reading. Here you can choose what the front page looks like, whether it will show the latest posts or a static page. You can also control how many blog pages are shown and whether your visitors will see the full post or just a summary. Discussion. In this section, you can configure settings related to comments. You can start by setting default comment settings. Media. In this section, you can change the default image size and choose the way you want your files organized. Permalinks. Permalinks allow you to control the URL structure of your posts. One of the many benefits of WordPress is that it's extremely easy to publish fresh content by adding new posts. To create a new post, click the Add New button under the Posts section. You will find yourself on a content creator page, which looks a lot like any word processor. The content section comes in two tabs, the visual and the text view. The visual view shows the text as it would appear on the finished page, and the text view will show you the post in HTML format. Right above the content section, there is a post editor toolbar, which will help you format your post. It has a variety of features, for example, bold, which would bold your text, italic, which would italicize your text, underline, which would underline the desired text, add media, where you can insert photos and videos in your post, HTML tags, text alignment, and others. This is an example of that. On the right hand, you will find a draft button. That allows you to save your work and come back to it later. Next to the draft button, there is a preview button that shows you how the post will look on the blog when you'll have published it. Next, you can change the visibility of your post. The public option allows you to stick the post on the front page. This section also allows you to schedule the post for later rather than publishing it immediately. Moving down the page, you have a section that allows you to choose a category and add tags to your post. In order to reap SEO benefits from your post, it is essential that your post follows a certain standard structure consisting of title. A title gives a sneak peek on what the article is all about to the readers. No matter how good the main body of the article is, if it doesn't have an equally tempting title, it would remain derived from any attention, which is the last thing you would want. Post format. This is the main body of the post where you will do the talking. It is highly recommended to format your posts accordingly. By making proper use of H2 and H3 tags for maximum search engine visibility. Further, try to give subheads and pointers in the post to enhance its readability. Featured image. Featured image, or a post thumbnail, is a representation image that comes next to your post. It is essential that you use a proper featured image with your posts. It would not only attract readers, but would also add to the aesthetic appeal of your site.